Okay, so I know I haven't uploaded in a little bit, so I figured I started off with a Breath of the Wild upload. Because I feel like that would be nice. Also, sorry for having this video. I have to start with Cass is singing. When I said Volley, I hate them both. Yeah, I figured, why not just do Daruks? And then, after this one, will be our bosses. Now, yes, I know I haven't uploaded in a long time, but I'm gonna go right now check when the last time I uploaded was. Let's see. The last time I uploaded was, I think, yeah, 2 weeks ago. I think from today, it will be exactly 3, I think. I don't care what Cass has to say. I'm just gonna skip it. There is one thing I will have to go do. I do need to get some fireproof lizards so I can upgrade my flame armor. You'll see why later in that video. You'll see why. Okay, so I kind of forgot to start recording when I was fighting the Igniotalus. So I'm here right now, fighting the Igniotalus. Yeah, he's basically almost dead, but this is also master mode, so he's gonna heal if I don't get him soon. Hope he just didn't heal too much, because that would be very bad. Very bad. The shrine I'm about to do for this one too is very cheesable, but I'm not gonna cheese it. Yeah, I have flameproof armor, so I don't think I have to worry. Okay, that would have been very bad. He healed completely. So, don't do what I do. That's destroy, I guess. I'm just gonna land over here just because. What the? Well, that was cool, I guess. The Igniotalus, but I'm also gonna get killed now. So, Link did live a good life. He was very happy. Can't say he is very much dead. But that's past the point. No, the point is, Link got the kill. Oh, stamina regenerated. Okay. Now, what I gotta do, beat this shrine, and then I'll probably do the one with the rings. The one where you gotta go chase the rings, not the one you have to stand on a ring and then boom, you win. This shrine's a okay shrine. It's cooler to cheese it. I like my cheese parmesan mostly. I had to make that joke. Please don't unsubscribe for that. I think this is the harder part of the shrine, when you gotta do that. I swear, as soon as I said that and I get this first shot, nope. Like, I hate it when it does that. That's why it's so hard. Okay, I got this. Sorry if I'm very quiet, I'm just trying to get focused. Stupid. Bad. Bad. Stay. Okay, I need to hurry this up before it moves. Get back here. get back here. Okay, I got this, I got this. Why is this shrine dumb? Come on, I got this. No. Okay. The shrine's making me more and more mad, but I can do this. Okay, I finally completed that. That was not fun. I regret doing that. It was not the funnest thing to do, but it is done. That is all that matters. Same mumbo jumbo they told us in the last two ones for this. Go collect more emblems. Fire emblem. Yes. I had to make that joke. Everybody knows I love Fire Emblem Three Houses. It's probably my favorite game I've ever played. Maybe Breath of the Wild is. It's hard to decide between both of them. I like them both. So it's pretty hard to decide. Okay, so about to start doing the ring mission. Okay, I failed to start the ring mission, so that's going off a bad start. Okay, got it. Okay, you just gotta climb up here. Just gotta get through the ring. I feel like I like these ones because it's fun to just go, like, it's like a chase mission where you gotta, like, if you've played any, like, games or something that you have to, like, chase someone to complete an objective, it's kind of like that, but you're going through some rings. Oh, also, figured I'd mention this. About maybe... I failed. I failed. As I was saying, I plan to get a PlayStation 4 around October or November. Because that's basically when I'll be in the new house that I'm moving into. Because it is official now. So, I'm probably going to keep that in my room and then the Switch will be downstairs. Unless I'm able to have both in my room, then I'll be happy with that. I will be very happy with that. Because recently I was just really wanting to play a lot of the games in there. Like, Marvel Spider-Man, Avengers, Spider-Man Miles Morales. Let's see, what other ones? There's a lot of other ones. Maybe, like, try out some of the Lego games. I'll probably be playing GTA 5 too. Just because I feel like that would be really fun. I don't know why, I just really want to play GTA 5. No, there won't be any videos on that because I am a family-friendly YouTube channel. Except for the last video with this, when SDB decided to curse multiple times. That's also why he wasn't in the rest of the video, because he kind of annoyed me a little bit with that. And it was also late at night, and he was asleep by the time I was recording. So that's basically why. So, yeah. There's a lot of other games I want on PlayStation 2 to try out some different genres. Like Star Wars genres. Maybe I'll try out a Call of Duty game, I don't know. Because it's not like I don't know what games I'll be getting for it. I know what games I get for it. At least for now. See, so, like I said earlier, I wanted to upgrade the flame armor all the way so I can just cheese it like this. So that was pretty fun. I'm already more than halfway done to the price I need to get for the PlayStation 4, because I'm not saying I don't want to get robbed. This part is where I can't cheat and I have to do it the right way. Oh yeah, I don't have a bow. So yeah, I kinda don't have a bow. So this is gonna be a little hard. So basically, right after I finished that segment, my Master Sword finally decided to get back its power. Also, Skyward Sword HD may not get finished this year because I have at least, I think, let's see how many hours on it. Okay, I didn't play that game much. I just put it in and didn't play it. 25 hours or more. And I still haven't beaten it. It takes 20 hours to beat, but I do that way. And I'll be doing as much as I can possible for the game too, so depends on what I feel like doing for the game. I will be making tons of videos today that I'm recording right now because of the reason of me not gonna have time soon for recording, so there's gonna be a lot of videos being made and coming out, so you're probably gonna see a lot of premieres. I like to do them as premieres, I don't know why. Because I just feel like I like premieres better than the actual videos now. Got it. Okay, that's 2 shrines down, 1 to go. I may have forgotten to hit the record button, so don't ask questions, please don't. It was neat way I did it. Didn't die. I wasn't sarcasm, I didn't die. Whoosh, look, it doesn't hurt me. I like this shrine because I can just cheese it so easily like this. Oh no, what's gonna happen to me? Ta-da! That's why you should always upgrade your flame-proof armor. It's not even that hard. All you gotta do is upgrade your moblin, get your moblin stuff, and then, oh yeah, I'm gonna need that. Okay, gotta get that. I don't want to talk about that. I do not want to talk about that. Okay. That, I'm good. Yep. Okay, I'm pretty sure it's a stone smasher in here. Yep. I need to upgrade my inventory. And then I always hated having to make it so that blocks that. Because motion controls suck for this game. Skyward Sword HD's motion controls are actually good. Even SDB said that. And SDB hates motion controls. Redania's Fire Emblem. I'm sorry, I can't stop. I just can't. Okay, let's see how Daruks goes. Daruks' mission is actually the easiest one because I killed Thunderblade Ganon on Master Mode first try for this one. I think I probably said this story before, but I'll say it again just in case you've never heard the story. I'm pretty sure that I know. One time I got bored in the morning, so I played Breath of the Wild. And then I decided I wanted to do Thunderblade Ganon first. And then that was also on Master Mode. So then I was crazy and wanted to do him first, because I don't know why. I had like 4 hearts because I upgraded stamina because I'm too lazy. I could have gave myself 5 hearts, but I like stamina better. So then, did that, and somehow I actually beat him first try on Master Mode. It was pretty shocking to me. I wasn't ready for it. Also, I hadn't woken up much that morning because I did this in the span of 2 days. So yeah, that was a fun time for me. The illusory realm was created from the depths of your memories. The enemy you shall face is a product of the fear that dwells within. You must overcome the fear to proceed. The battle is a child of soul. You must emerge victorious using the tools provided. Oh no, it's Thunderblast Cannon. Whatever what I do. Wait, I meant Fireblight. Do it. I just need to drop this switch to stamina. Oh, sorry, buddy. Okay, that was easy. Am I gonna beat him in under a minute? I don't know, maybe I will. I wouldn't be surprised if I beat him under a minute. Boom. Fireblade's dead. I think I actually did that in under a minute. I don't know. I didn't. I probably should have started a timer or something. But I didn't because I can't do that. Okay. Then Cass shows up and then Link just thinks about what bad things you could do to Cass, like murder him, you know. Remember last time when I had to have an arrow pointed at Cass's head because he wouldn't shut up? Oh, that was good. Duke, that's a felony. Call her tiny one more time, you will die. Yeah, and you did, Daruk. Yep, just ask Link. I'm pretty sure he slaughtered like 90 of them somewhere near the Death Mountain area. Oh, that guy's like, oh no, oh god, everybody run for your lives. Oh god, oh sorry, my bad. Drew just murdered them. What if the person was just in there too, and they somehow, like, the person was just in the hit radius? Cowards. You know, if I saw Daruk trying to murder me, I would accept my fate. Mainly because it's Daruk. Okay, I just had to fix the camera. Sorry about that.
You'll see. It seems our friend here was the one being attacked.
I am sorry if I give you 2 or 3 Breath of the Wild videos in a row. My only problem is, I would do that. I love that Daruk's afraid of dogs. I just have to say that. I am sorry I didn't show the Rivali cutscene. The only reason I didn't show his cutscene, it's Rivali, and it's rated R because he tried to murder multiple people. As like maybe like a short bonus video, I'll show the cutscene maybe, or just include it somewhere. I'm not sure. I may, after I do Thunderblade Ganon, for the after I do Urbosa's Champion Ballad part, I think I'm going to then do the Master Sword Trials, and then do Maskoshia. Daruks like, if it's Ganon's a dog, I'm dead. No, you're still here. No one cares about your stupid song. I can? Dude, I'm gonna need that. I'm gonna kill at least 20 Lionels just because I can. No joke, I will. Personally, Lionel's gonna have it coming. Then there's Daruks Protection Plus. Oh wait, I don't have any bow and arrows this time, so I gotta use this. Okay, Cass. No music. I'm gonna do my outro this time, buddy, okay? Good, buddy, good. Okay, so basically, hope you did enjoy this video. Cass? Did you just give me it? Cass, I see that side eye you're giving me, buddy. Oh, that side eye, I will kill you. You know what? Cass, you're gonna die, you're ruining my outro. Guess I just place a bomb by him. Okay, so basically, hope you enjoyed the video, and hope you... Cass? Get 2 bombs now. Oh no! That's the way to get away from Cass. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Link's gonna plummet into Death Mountain now. Just thought I would mention that. I'm gonna send Link into Death Mountain. Geronimo. Oh, you actually can go down there. I'm ruining my own outro now. If I end up by Cass, I will. Okay, so basically, hope you enjoyed the video. Do subscribe and also hit the bell to get notified when I do an upload or stream. Also, I want to mention this at the end, too. I figured that I would mention it. I may not be streaming the rest of Skyward Sword HD because I can't stream that much. And there's like 20 plus hours of the game. Because I still haven't beaten up my main account yet. Because I just have dumb brain, I guess. So I just thought I would put that out there that I may not be finishing that on stream. I will make sure to do it on, like, the final part of it on a stream. But, like, some of the stuff will not be on a stream. Just thought I'd mention that. And, see you in the next video. Bye.